Good afternoon. My name is Richard McPhee. I'm a lawyer from Canada. I'm the senior partner in a law firm called McPhee and Liu, and we specialize in Canadian immigration and naturalization matters. We've been doing this for about 30 years. I'm here in India right now in New Delhi, and someone from my office comes here 3 times a year. This time it's me. I'm enjoying myself very much. It's nice to be back. We work here in partnership with Divya Arya. She's also our partner in our Surrey office in Vancouver. And she's asked me to talk a little bit about the investor category for immigration to Canada. And the investor category is a special category that the government created in order to allow wealthy businessmen to immigrate to Canada through a passive investment, an investment that goes directly to the Canadian government. The criteria is very simple. The client has to have a net worth of 800,000 Canadian dollars and has to have 2 years of experience in the last 5 years, either owning and managing his own business or managing someone else's business. The processing time is about a year to a year and a half. It's likely to get faster. And quite often the interview is waived if the documentary proof is strong. And at the end of the process, when the family has been approved and the medical tests have been cleared and the visa process is finished, the government is going to ask the client to make a choice. Either to give $400,000 directly to the Canadian government in the form of a 5-year loan that bears no interest and where capital is returned in full, or in the alternative, the client can go to one of the Canadian chartered banks and they can pay a fee to that bank, and the bank will pay the $400,000 to the government. And that fee usually is $120,000, and that fee is non-refundable, and it becomes the cost of immigration.
Cool.
There are 2 small matters that I also want to add. One is that our government is talking about raising the criteria, both net worth and investment. The net worth criteria might go up to $1.2 million Canadian in assets, and the investment amount might go from $400,000 to $600,000, and the bank charge might go from $120,000 up to $175,000. This is only a rumor at this time. You can stay in touch with Divya's office to find out whether it materializes or not. If it does materialize, it should be sometime after the summer break. The second point I want to raise is that there are some consultants in Delhi who are telling people that they're required to make additional investments in business projects in Canada, and this is completely untrue, and these consultants are only saying this as a way to trick clients into putting money into their own projects. If you pay the $400,000 to the government or the $120,000 to the bank, that is the end of your obligations, and you are not required to do anything else in Canada in the way of investment. If you have any other questions, you should contact Divya's office, either here in Delhi or in Vancouver, and she will be happy to start your case. Thank you very much.